After inserting these elements in the kitchen, on the next step, we will continue with other furniture elements, but this time from the furniture category. Again, we will need to load them from the Autodesk Families icon. Now I click on Furniture. And here I'm going to insert several elements that I want to place in this room. The office too. So, let's add this bookshelf, for example. Then I need an office chair and also a chair for the desk itself, a table for meetings, and also this furniture table high level. It looks nice. Then I click on load. I have to wait to download the families. And now let's proceed to place them on the house. After clicking on components, the element that appears by default is the last one loaded, this furniture table meeting. I can rotate it with the spacebar, but in this case I just want it horizontal. Now in the end, click again to put the table on the view. To insert another element, I can click on a family in Properties. I'm going to choose the other table. It only has one type, as you can see. For example, put it here. Now, let's search for the furniture desk, and if you remember the family name, in this list they are sorted by alphabetical order. Or you can either look at the symbol. Aha, here it is. There are several types. I'm going to choose this one, and let's place the desk next to the wall. Now I'm going to insert the bookshelves. I think they are better next to this wall. And of course, now I have to move the position of this table. Press Escape, select it. I can move it right away or with the Move command. Let's find exactly the middle to be my point of displacement. And then let's move temporarily to this side. After we will see what to do. Finally, I need to add the chairs. I'm going to start with the desk chair, and if I press the spacebar, I am rotating it 90 degrees. I'm going to place it here right in the middle. Then let's place an office chair, and this time I'm going to show you a great tip to place 4 chairs in a symmetric way. For that, I'm going to use the command mirror pick axis. I select the chair, press enter, then I find this vertical axis, and you can see the chair is mirrored to the other side. So now to place 2 chairs on the other side of the table, I just need to do the same process. I'm going to select both and click on the command mirror pick axis, and finally pick up the horizontal axis. Now I can go to the 3D view to have a look how these elements look like in the office. Now it's time to learn a few tips. Suppose I decided or I realized that I don't want this table here. I can delete it simply, but it is still loaded on the components list. So in order to avoid having loads of families here that I'm not going to use them, I can go to the project browser, click here on families, and this is the place where I can unload the families that I don't want in this project. I expand furniture, select the table high level cafe, right click and choose delete. Now going back to the components list, it's no longer there. Other interesting and important feature is that I can create a group for elements that I want them to be together. For example, the meeting table and the chairs. Let's select them all with the help of the button control. Then find this button in the Modify tab, Create Group. Insert a name for the group. Click on OK. And as you can see, I just combined these elements into a single unit. Now I'm going to repeat the process, but for the desk and this chair. Select both. Create a group. Choose a name, desk and chair office 2, and that's it.